Hi, this is Raven with Clever Automation, and today I'm going to walk you through how to pass data from one of your members' contact records in Infusionsoft to a new member's contact record. And this takes into, this assumes that you are a WordPress user, that you also use iMember 360, and that your originating person contact is a member in your iMember 360 membership site, and while they're logged in, they are going to register someone else. So in our scenario, it's an instructor who is the main member of iMember 360, and when they're logged in, they need some of their contact details passed to their student, the sub-member. This is really easy to do with iMember shortcode, so let me show you how to do it. First of all, you want to make sure that the information that you want to capture, that you want to pass on to your new member, is something you capture from your main member. That can either be web form details, or you can set up a sign up form that captures the additional details that you need to pass on to sub members or students. Once you have that information on your main member, then you can go ahead and build your sub member web form. And when you build this information, the details that are unique to the new student, you're going to have visible. That way your main member can fill those items in, those fields in. And then anything that you're passing from the main member to the sub member, go ahead and create hidden fields. As you can see, I already have those laid out here, but let me just show you an additional one. So if you come over here to field snippets, you will select hidden. And let's say that we're going to pass the zip code. In here, you can go ahead and place in your iMember 360 shortcodes, but I don't do it right there. I do it once the form is on the WordPress site. So I leave that value blank and I click Save. And once you have your sub-member form created, go ahead and go back to the campaign and click Publish. Then you want to return to the web form, because once you hit Publish, all your changes are saved in the code. Then you'll come over here to the HTML code, get the unstyled if you like the way your WordPress theme styles your web form and you don't want to style your web forms inside Infusionsoft. If you do like to style your web forms inside Infusionsoft, then use the middle option, HTML code, and you cannot do this with the JavaScript snippet. So you're just going to select all and copy, and then come over here to your WordPress site, and as you can see, I have the student registration, and I already have the web form in here. I don't have that zip code option in there, but I can go ahead and just put it in there, because that was the additional detail that I added. And as you can see here, we have taken the step of wrapping this Infusionsoft. Let me make this bigger so you can see it better. We have taken the step of wrapping this Infusionsoft web form with the I4W web form use post data set to yes. And you just get that from, oops, not there. Not in a video. In the documentation, just type in, if you need to look at these parameters, type in web form in the search and it pulls it up, and it's this one right here that we're using. And as you can see, we paste our Infusionsoft web form in between that shortcode. So that is what we've done. Now, because you've hidden certain fields that you're passing from the main member to the sub member, those values will be set to null. And as you can see, some of these values I've already amended with the I4 underscore DB underscore contact record short code. And what that does is it pulls the main member's contact record detail for that field into the form, but it's hidden, so the form is only showing the unique details but passing along this hidden information. And Infusionsoft sets that to null because remember we left that hidden field blank, and all you do is go and grab the I4W contact record short code and replace those null values with it. So for instance, we're looking for the city. If we come over here to short codes and go to contact and scroll down to city, we're just going to copy that short code and we're going to paste that over the null value. And let's go ahead and do postal code. Paste that right over. And as you can see, any logged in user, they have to be logged in order for iMember to be able to grab their Infusionsoft contact record details and pass that on. So make sure that the page that you're creating is a membership only page. You can higher level it or just say any logged in user, and then click update once you've got your form situated. And let's go ahead and look at this in a real scenario. So let's say that I am a gym owner and I've registered for marketing from a big marketing agency that caters to gym owners. And my name just happens to be Bruce Lee. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that since I keep clicking on it. And so right here in my membership, iMember 360 membership site, I have registered as Bruce Lee. I've registered my gym under my name, Bruce Lee, and here's my email, and there's my gym name and my gym address. If you look over here at Bruce Lee's record in Infusionsoft, you can see that all those details are being pulled from the Infusionsoft record. So let's say that I log into my membership site as Bruce Lee and I need to register a student that has just signed up for the Last Dragon Dojo membership. So I come over here and this is the form student registration that you see here, and all of these fields that I'm passing are hidden. So all that I need to do is I need to register my new student. So let's say that I am registering Stephen King, and of course he's a horrorauthor.com. So those are the only 3 fields that I'm going to submit as I'm logged in as Bruce. And it says, thanks for filling out the form, Stephen. That's because we didn't set up a thank you page, but if you had, you would, change that to the I4W logged in user person. It would say, thank you for filling out the form, Bruce. Your member is now registered, or whatever you want it to say. Now, if we come over here and we search for Stephen, you can see that Stephen King is here. And you can see that his city, his company now is Last Dojo, and there is the billing information that we passed on. And that's how you do that. And as you can see, it was just 7 quick and easy steps. Let me know if you have any questions.